Sometimes we want to think of a fraction, especially a proper fraction, as representing some part of not an abstract unit on the number line, but an object. So for example, we want to think of a situation where yesterday I ate a third of a pizza. What do I mean by that? I mean, I had a pizza, I cut it into 3 equal parts, and I took one of them. And these pictures, part of a whole, are also going to be very useful to us. I might say, although it would sound strange, that tomorrow I will eat 5/4 of a pizza. What would that mean? Well, to get fourths of a pizza, I take a pizza and I cut it into 4 equal parts. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not enough, right? I'll need to go fetch another pizza, cut it into 4 equal parts. I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/4 of a pizza. We wouldn't necessarily say this. It would be a little bit odd. We might also think in terms of a fraction of a group. So, for example, there are 30 employees in Implaza Corp. 3/5 of them are women. What does that mean? That means we slice every employee into 5 slices, and 3 of those slices are women. No. Wait, that would be weird. Let's try that again. There are 30 employees. We divide them into 5 equal groups. How do we do that? Well, we know how to split people into equal groups. That's just division. 30 divided by 5? Oh, that's 6. So there are 6. So we have 5 groups of 6 each, and of those, 3 of the groups are groups of women. Well, how many women are there in 3 groups of 6? 3 groups of 6, that's 18 women. There are 18 women employees at Implaza Corp. I'm going to have you try one of these where you're taking a fraction of a group. There are 52 cookies in the cookie jar. 3/4 of them contain chocolate. How many cookies is that? Pause the video and try this now. Well, we'll divide the 52 cookies into 4 groups. Well, 52 is too big to show up in the 4 row on the multiplication table. So we'll do that division. 4 into 52. 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 2 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. So 52 divided by 4 is 13. And we're thinking, but we don't need to write. Of the groups, 3 consist of cookies that contain chocolate. So we multiply 13 times 3, and we get, well, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 39. 39 cookies contain chocolate.